Beach parties are always good no matter what, and this one in particular was intense.
It's the Riviera brunch featuring Spice, I-Octane and Rygin King right here at Sugar Sand Beach.
She's summer bright, Mr. Lightbulb. Cause we clean to my step like pine salt. Girl, if you're ugly, don't come at the rave. This a the rave. Yeah, man, this a the rave. Every that girl, brawling, bare face. This a the rave. Yeah, man, this a the rave.
Right now we're here with the promoter for Riviera brunch. First of all, tell me, how you come up with this idea?
I am Kenisha Burrell, Riviera boss, and this is JG. So what happened one day, we were sitting down and we were talking about events, and you know, the turn that events have basically made in dancehall and overall. And then we were there, we're like, you know, normally we don't see events happening where, you know, you can have wine and sip wine and have conversations and, you know, chill with your friend. So we decided to come up with something where we were going to do a wine and cake type of vibe. Yeah. And then we said, no man, this can't go bigger than this. So that's when we came up with the wine and cheese concept.
And trust me, big up all I promote them, all I sexy body girl,
Tell us about the artists you have on the lineup. You have some big heavy hitters.
We have Queen of the Dancehall, Spice. You know she going to tear the stage down. We have Junior Reid that is here, you know, my pastor, I'm going to do him thing. We have Rygin King, One King, and we have the boss, of course.
I-Octane himself.
The boss himself, yeah, so we have I-Octane.
Junior Reid of a general, man. See that globe, you know, look for the background. See the background there, you know. Can't cut the globe, you know. When they are Riviera, you understand, you don't know Junior Reid, me and Junior Reid apart from what they, you know what I mean? And it's an elder who I always respect, I always show him that. Because the first time I go up on tour, Amsterdam, he never remember, I tell him. A couple of years, about 10 years ago. I step on the bus and, you know, be a big artist on the bus and me and the young artist and Junior Reid come on and say, so how long we going to drive and hear the youth song them? Put in the youth song them. Yeah. You know what I mean? And that stick with me.
Trap dancehall king in the building. What going rich people?
You don't know, you know, we out here in Sanjay, Riviera, outside.
That go and just burn it down.
Yeah, you don't know. Portmore, look out for all girls fit. That's one party where Rygin King I care from Mobile come and Portmore, cause you don't know. At the first me ever perform at Portmore, big up I-Octane, big up Riviera, big up Portmore people. Man, girl, two girl that round. All when I night. Feel like fun. Make sure you walk on a cha-cha-cha.
But man no choo-choo, me no cha-cha. Y'all bring the with it and get sada. Tell if you good, you get it rah-rah. 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 Come and make me knock it by your
watch it now. Say man I get girl from a barefoot before me watch a Jacob one bird make girl a give it. Wheelers, see me come and dance, sing a flossing thing. Them look, them see me on the dancing ring. Chair conquer the club and that no normal thing. The people of the vibes they we bring. Them know say Mr. Waki are the dancing king. And all dancer and Mr. Waki offspring. Every king need a queen, put on the ring. Bring back the vibes in the dancing thing. I say, wheelers, wheelers. We are rave, rave, we are rave, we are rave. Rave, we are rave, we are rave. Shell up the party. Tonight we are shell up the party. Octane, shell up the party. Junior Reid, shell up the party.
Fancy boss in the building, fresh off of the stage D clubs. What go on?
So fancy, you know what D clubs I represent. The whole card unit. And me say fancy, I say fancy. Wow!
They think hype, you have the first here. Yeah. Octane, Riviera, what was that? We are roll, we not friendly. Post up in Pandigram, well trendy. One stepping at the streets, man, at 70. No money, tick, never let this food to crowd out when they put a low.
Riviera anniversary brunch was all the rave. Octane, you do it.
Top strike of a skill, me and shift. You think no double XL like a big Gansy. Oh, it's amazing you quit, but you still can't see. Remember, is attendant, the shandy, yeah.